The goal of this video is to show you a simpler way of doing analysis without complicating things for yourself. So in this video, we'll be discussing easier way of doing your market analysis and finding entries for your trade. You don't need to complicate things. You don't need to be too cumbersome, too difficult as the case may be. So this is my MT5 chart on my mobile phone. And what do? When I open my chart, I take a look at my chart and I have an indicator on my main chart. The indicator is the Bollinger Band. And you can see the upper line of the Bollinger Band, which is here, the middle line of the Bollinger Band and the lower Bollinger Band. This is my H-hour time frame, and for my indicator window is my TDI indicator, which is my Traders Dynamics Index indicator. So when I open my chart like this, the first thing I look out for is the direction of the market. I want to know the trend, and what I do basically with my Bollinger Band, once price is above my Bollinger Band, I see it as an uptrend, and once price is below it, I see it as a downtrend. So when price is above, I see it as a bullish market, and price is below, I see it as a bearish market. So having established that fact, the next thing I do, I begin to look for entry. And how do I find my entry? I can begin to look for area of support. Okay, here is an area of resistance which has happened previously, and at the same time I begin to look for my other blocks. Okay, I begin to look for support, I begin to look for resistance, I begin to look for my other blocks. And just as you can see, from that level, I'll look for support, I'll look for other block, I'll look for smart money cube, I'll look for improper price action. So I can choose to look for any of these things. And by doing such, I'll begin to mark these zones. Here I have another block. Okay, I have another block there. I have another other block here. Okay, you define your other block by the structural candles you find in those zones. So what I am doing basically now, I am marking my other blocks. And here I have another other block. Here I have another other block. Okay, and some of these other blocks, they are imbalanced before the other block. Okay, a typical example is this one. If you don't know what imbalance is, just watch our previous video where we just discussed imbalance. Like in this one in particular here now, that is an imbalance. Yeah. So what are we referring to the imbalance here? We are referring to this gap between this level and this level is our imbalance. Okay, and as you can see, Look at what this price do. Price came all the way down, returns. It did not enter the order block. It only filled this imbalance and then drop to the downside. So what do? I mark my order blocks, identify my imbalance. Okay, you can see that in the case of this one, price came down, come up, came here, pull back into the order block, and it played down. Look at this one, there's an imbalance here. So this one move up to fill in this imbalance. So I will mark my order block, and possibly I'll pick up my Fibonacci level, and I'll fib my levels, and you can see here price pull to 78.5 and it plays out safely. Alright, and of course, for you to identify the order blocks, you know what to do. You need to have a knowledge of your structural point, because your structural points are your order blocks. Those are the zones where market makes reversals. Okay, so I've identified my order blocks, and in as much as price remains below my middle Bollinger Band, I am looking for opportunity to sell. I am not looking for opportunity to buy anything. The only thing I'll be doing is that I will be selling. And then let's look at our current price for a bullish move. Okay, you can see that this keeps up coming on and on and on. Sorry, the chart is misbehaving somehow. Here we have another order block, and you can see price came playing and went down. And at this zone, price break to the upside. Look at here and look at here. This is a divergence, and that gives us a break of structure here. So we know that there is a change of market direction. And if you are using a trend line like this, you can actually see that here price break trend line, it went up, it retest, and it moved to the upside. Okay, and if you are trading double bottom, this is bottom number one. Bottom one, price went, and when it came, it tapped into yours and give us a W pattern. So depending on what you want to use for your entry confirmation. And after that, look at what happened. Price went, retest this to confirm to us that this is an uptrend. And that is why I said once price is at this place, we are now in an uptrend. So anything from here now, I am looking for opportunity to buy. So here I will have another entry. Okay, so what I did here we have a liquidity. Price take away the liquidity at this side, so I'm going to mark this order block. So my focus now is on this order block. Okay, and now we are in an uptrend and we keep pushing to the upside. Another thing you need to look out for is chart pattern. This is a bullish flag chart pattern. Okay, you can see it. This is a bullish flag chart pattern. Okay, price move. You can see how the flag is connected, and this is a flag, and we have this. And afterwards you mark your order blocks. Okay, so here we have another order block because price take away this high, and then it came, tap into it, went up. So when price was coming down for the second time, you can look at what happened. Here now we have a liquidity, and this candle take liquidity, and that is why I marked out this candle that take away the liquidity. And as you can see, price came all the way from up. When it came into that zone, I have confluences of confirmation. Look at my price line of the TDI is touching my lower Bollinger Band, and I have series of candles here, a pin bar candles that give me those rejections. And when I spot that rejection and I spot this and price is on the lower Bollinger Band again, it gave me that confirmation for a buy. And that is the trade you see running right there. Okay, so in that zone, I am not looking for opportunity. It is an uptrend, and I am not looking for opportunity to sell. I know this is a bullish force. I am looking for a buying opportunity, and you can see it playing out. So the process is simple, it's not too tedious. All you need to do, open your chart, identify whether price is above your middle Bollinger Band, which is this. Price is up here, uptrend, here, downtrend. Then all you need to do now, you need to begin to identify, do you have another block at that zone? Do you have an imbalance? Okay, do you have a smart money cube? You begin to identify those points, look for a chart pattern, and as you find it, you keep making your entries based on what price is showing you and a combination of other tools. And I believe you have learned something, you are gaining value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever we publish our next video.